Your critics, particularly your sister, Senator Amy Marcos, are accusing you of conniving with the House of Representatives and Senate for a constitutional assembly that would extend your term via no election scenario. You already addressed this earlier, Mr. President, by means of a facial expression only. May we officially get an explanation or comment on this issue? And can you elaborate on that eye roll?
I don't know. I mean, she should fire her staffer who gave her that information. Because, you know, that fake news affects, hurts everyone. Not only those that fake news is attacking, but also those who are purveying that fake news. The purveyors of fake news are also damaged by this kind of. She should choose her sources of information better. Because the truth of the matter is, we have never at any point even spoken about this anywhere with anyone at any time. So I don't know. I mean, and if you're not part of the solution, you become part of the problem. And that is a perfect example of that.
Ito naman si Bangag, ang daming hanas, parang bading din ito. Ang daldal mo, puro kakuda. You know what, Mr. President? The problem with you is you do not know that you are the problem. Ikaw mismo yung problema ng bansa. Hindi ka part ng solution. Dahil ikaw mismo yung problema. Anyway, dun sa issue tungkol sa sinabi ni Amy Marcos sa pagsasabuatan ni Bangag sa Senado at saka dito sa Kongreso tungkol sa no election, extension ng term. Ang dami mo bang kuda? Bakit hindi mo na lang direct to the point sabihin, no, I will never do that? Ang dami mong chike eh. Naalala niyo yung hair follicle test? Yung tinanong siya kung magpapa-hair follicle test siya, anong sabi niya lang? No. Why should I do that? Hindi naman parte ng trabaho ko ang hair follicle test. Gago. Pwede ba namang sabihin na no, I will never do that. Why should I do that? Hindi naman ako nagdroga. Ganun dapat. Direct to the point. Mga direct. Putang ina, itong issue na to sa election at saka sa term extension, ba't hindi mo sabihin direct to the point? Hindi yan totoo. Magkakaroon ng election sa 2028. Term extension not true at all. Ganun. Diba, aarte-arte ka pa, nagdi-deny ka pa, samantalang inamin naman nitong si Pepsi Paloma. Nakasama niya talaga si Boji D. Nag-meeting sila. Although, ang sabi nila, joke only. Putang ina nyo. Mga tarantado. Masyado kayong ganit sa kwarta at kapangyarihan, mga hayop kayo. Putang ina mo, diretsuhin mo na. Sabihin mo, magkakaroon ng eleksyon. Walang term extension, ganon. Ang dami mong pasikot, halatang nagsisinungaling tong adik na to. Kang ina mo.